Hey everyone, it's Naaz Beauty here today, and I'm going to be showing you guys 2 easy ways to remove outgrown lashes during a fill appointment. To start out, I'm taping back the lashes so I can work in sections, and this tape that I'm using is perfect for eyelash extensions. It does not move. It's similar to texture to the NextCare tape, but it's just cheaper and thinner, which makes it so much more convenient to work with. If you guys are interested, I'll leave all of the products that I use down in the description. So starting out with the banana peel method, I'm going to show you how to remove an extension and to do it on a classic lash and a volume fan, starting out with the classic lash. If you turn the lash to its side, you could see the natural lash peeking out from the extension. If you can't find the natural lash, just fold down the tip of the extension towards yourself and the natural lash will usually pop off. You want to then hold the extension with one tweezer and the natural lash with the other tweezer and gently pull the two apart. The pro tip that I have for you guys today is using at least one volume tweezer and one straight tweezer when you're removing lashes, because it can really grip the lash and the other can precisely grab the extension. I'm using these J-shaped tweezers and these classic curved tweezers, both from naazbeauty.com. I will leave them down in the description along with a promo code. They both have really amazing grip, so when I go to remove the outgrown lashes, they don't slip and make for quick, easy, and painless removals. The classic curves and the J-shaped tweezers are really sharp and they're just amazing. 10 out of 10 recommend for any lash artist to have in their kit. I'm going to show you guys how it looks to remove an extension when your tweezers aren't sharp and they don't have good grip. If you guys can see here, every time when I try to remove the lashes, the tweezers are not able to get good hold on the lashes, so that's why it just keeps slipping. Now for removing a volume fan using the banana peel method, it's essentially the same thing, but I just like to get closer to the base of the extension because it will hurt if you just yank the fan off. So I like to hold as much as the fan I can with the tweezer and peel it off the natural lash. Now I'm going to be showing you guys the second method I use, which is the pop-off method. It's super easy. You just hold the bottom of the extension and kind of brace the lash. If you don't have a minimal amount of glue, then the lash doesn't pop off, but if you do use a minimal amount of glue, the lash will just pop off. And if it doesn't move when you just try to hold the base and just kind of move the extension in an upward direction, try moving the lash side to side until the extension comes off. And you do this method for both a volume fan and a classic lash, but make sure you're holding tightly the bottom of the extension, because if you don't and you're just trying to move the extension side to side, it's going to hurt your client's eyes. But if you're holding the bottom of the extension, they can't feel you moving the top portion, and that way the removal is just super painless. I'm going to show you guys how it looks a couple of times so you guys get a good idea and how it looks in action. For the tweezers and tape that I use in this video, they're all from naazbeauty.com, and I will leave the direct link down in the description box, and you could use code YouTube for money off. I post daily tutorials and tips on my Instagram and TikTok, so make sure you guys follow me on there too, at naazbeauty____. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to ask them in the comment section. If you guys like this video, then make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more lashing related videos.